Hi, I'm David Bonasera with ESP Sales in San Jose, California. We just took on the line of products called MB Stone Care. One of the products that really excites me, actually, which is a standard in the industry and has been for many, many years, is MB20. MB20 is used for harder surfaces like granite, quartzite, and other difficult to polish surface. This can be used for contractors. Can be used, of course, it's been used for decades with fabricators. And the homeowner could use it too, as long as you have a polishing machine and a hog's hair pad. But for the most part, this is what you'd use to get your granite and quartzite and hard surfaces back to that pop. MB20. It's been a standard then, and it's still a standard today.